Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to turn sticky keys on or off on your Mac.
It's super simple.
First things first, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. Okay, now scroll down in the System Settings window until you find Accessibility. Click on that. In the Accessibility settings, scroll down again and find the Keyboard option under Motor. Click on Keyboard.
All right, you're almost there.
To turn sticky keys on or off, just toggle the switch next to the sticky keys option. As you can see, I'm turning it on and off right now.
When it's off, you're modifié qu'ils won't stick anymore.
And that's it. Once you've toggled that setting, you can close System Settings. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more tips and tricks. This was my personal experience, and you may have a slightly different process. You can also find relevant links in the description below. Thanks for watching.